Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. As you know, we are exploring Tableau charts one by one, and today we are diving into multiple line charts. Have you ever wanted to compare trends across different regions? That's exactly what a multiple line chart is designed to do. By the end of this episode, you will understand how to create this chart and how to use it effectively in your project. Now let's take a look at the image. What you see here is multiple line chart. On the y-axis we have sales, on the x-axis we have the months. This means each line represents the sales trend of a particular region over time. Each line is color coded for easy identification. For example, the blue line represents the central region, orange represents the north region, red for south and green for southern region. Notice how the line fluctuate over time. This visual representation make it easy to compare how each region performs during different months. For example, you can quickly see that the southern region had a significant peak around the mid of 2021, while the other regions remained stable or had smaller peaks. In simple words, a multiple line chart is like a visual storyteller. It helps you to see the ups and downs. First, I will duplicate the previous sheet, right click on it, duplicate. This is my multiple line chart. Then I will remove this retail sale and I will remove this my wholesale. Now in this sheet, I'm having my month into columns and my sales into rows. This shows a simple line chart indicating how sales have changed over time and compare different values. We can use multiple line charts. I will drag the region to this color. Now we have multiple lines in one view, each line representing the different region with different color. More you can see in this window, center region having this color, north having this one, south and southern. More you can review this data with reference to year, quarter, and this chart is already in month. If I will convert it to quarter, now this is looking like this. So this is up to you how you want to analyze this data. I'm replacing this with month. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to hit and like the button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to stay updated with more Tableau episodes. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I will see you in the next episode of this incredible playlist where we are creating the Tableau charts one by one. Take care and happy charting. Goodbye.